ngilanguage yethu la
Phelile.
chayile abantwana bakhuzwa ngesilungu ba-addresswa ngesilungu abo stop it don't do like kuphelile nje ngesenemi yami la chayile madoda la and kuke singayibheka light osihleke osijoke ngayo but masusuyibhekisisa kahle ay
It's deep. But if you can look at what is really happening, it was back in early 90s to 2000. You look at that life of Amesithi le mntwana zami yizichukuma mayo. Hey, yizo le mntwana na 13 pregnant. Thina kithi bekusesokuthi nokubamba inkawuza. No, look at that life. We are living that life. Does this thing ashembe ukuthi ubabona 84 uthandana nomntana na 13 ayimenza umfazi wakhe? Mara you don't see abongizwe bayekasilabo terrorizing those people. They worship that thing. They bagoba kule ndoda leyana majority lawa madoda lawayana angathatha umntana akhe amenza umfazi. Do they do that? No, they not, because why they saying it's their culture. Are we living in a society that is biased? That is controlled by a certain narrative, which these are the things that we need to go with. Because for me, if intanga yakhe ngabona umntana khona 12 years umfazi, hey problem. Why is this Shembe elders are being
Welcome to the Dove Show. Of course, I go by the name Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show. Even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera, this thing is usual. I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Ganda. And I'm going to do one story at the time and one testimony at the time. Today is one of those episodes where we check what is going on in the country. I love it because it's eye-opening. So yeah, we'll learn a lot. Otherwise, James, how are you on grace?
You on grace, and the real show happens behind the camera, ne?
Yeah, I think, yeah.
I think
the good show is off camera.
Real, yeah.
I think we must start to have our cameras. People when they come in, we have that thing really when they come in and talk. Then we have them on the show.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because I be calling you to real stuff.
Yeah,
real stuff.
Yeah.
So I'm going to agree.
Yeah, showcase.
Okay.
If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, press the notification bell as well as join the membership, and also donate our details shown after a disclaimer. And make sure you don't skip the ads and you watch the episode until the end. Thank you so much for your comments. We really appreciate it, guys. We really appreciate your comments as well as how you like the episode and sharing it. We really appreciate it. Please keep on doing that. We keep on going. It's road to 200,000 subscribers. We almost, I think by end of this month, we'll be 200. If people really, so please subscribe.
Not if, when.
Not
if, when. Yes.
If we?
I need to, if people will. Correct it when.
Oh, yeah.
But about if shuti ingenzeka ngangayenzeki.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So when
so sure.
Yeah. So izoyenzeka.
Yeah. Amen.
Amen. You have any question for Gray?
Ngifuna sizobuzana masiqalile inkulumo. Yeah.
Okay. My brother, welcome to the show. Me and you, we once had this kind of interviews a long time back.
Come a long way.
Yeah, a long time back. I think 6 years or so.
Yeah, come
6
a
years
long
back.
way.
Yeah.
We really come a long way.
Yeah. Yeah.
But also,
there
there was a before that, the event where you had a lot of people there. Bolaxi.
Oh yeah, la ngishito khona. I think first time ngihlangana noLaxi ngihlanganisa noLaxi. Hey, interviews abantu.
Yeah, because the whole aim is to see our own people winning in whatever way that they've choose to win.
Yeah.
Because the reality, it's about winning. And winning, it's a process. It's a journey. You cannot just wake up because of normal qualifications and think it's a win. Because it's not a concept yesgele where your life it's situated in a classroom and then ulwela pass. But there is a universe where also education yakhona is totally different. And this is where abantu ababhaya they fail. Because laphayana kunakuthi uzoqrema yabo. It's as it comes. You need to write exams like this, back and forth, and yeah. So for me, seeing you, because I'm meeting out here, and I could see the level of believing and doubting in you. You are not sure which direction you are going, but you are going. And for me, the story, it inspires me because when I look at you, I see things that you don't see. And I remember the last time we spoke, I said, you're on the right direction. One way or another, what you wish for is going to happen, and it's happening. It's just that you have to embrace the process, which majority of us, we don't like embracing the process. Sifuna ukuzibona ku-destination. And in many cases, when I see your show, I was like, yes, this is where you are.
Because when what you're talking about is the real thing. Because I remember, bro, I was like, frustrated about life and coming to you and like, you're going interview Ntlatlalax. I'm like, hey, this guy, you're interviewing Ntlatlalax.
Yes.
I was scared.
And ufuna ukuhamba nami uSimdons. No, you're on your own.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're on your own, and it was busy. I'm busy because the festival was big also, and I'm dealing with a lot of big names, and everybody wants this special treatment. But also because of you are my brother, I say you are home. It's your home advantage. Take advantage. Call whoever. Yeah, big names. No, call whoever. Because of you are here, you are home. Nobody will say no. Nobody will say no. And yeah, man. Fast forward, I'm like naming bonizinto ku busy. This is where life's supposed to be, and this is also an indication that it can still go beyond.
Brother, like, when you talk, like, people think everything comes easy. Like, but
Yeah.
sometimes I'm glad when I met. They think they think like it's clapping about brother Enigma, but like when I get people like you that I used to like, hey, please help me out, and you guys will direct me and say, hey, go this side.
Yeah.
Well,
Which is important, but also ilento le abantu abamnyama esinayo yabo, to give each other support. Yeah, because if you didn't start with us, you wouldn't even get the other ones that are known. You wouldn't be sitting here. So somewhere, somehow, the land was supposed to be fertile so that you can plant whatever that you want to plant.
Because interviewing Ntlatlalax, it gave me the confidence. Although the interview, whatever, but it built, that confidence. Yeah, I sat down.
And it was a perfect thing. Let me tell you something. It was not popular. But if you can take those interviews now out, it was going to be like it was yesterday. Because the things that Lux said there was relevant. Lux is relevant. Because he was not talking about the current situation. If you listen, go and listen. He was talking about the future, what's going to happen, things that are happening in Soweto now.
Where do we went wrong as Sowetans, man? As well as like, did we believe we politics too much? Did politics done something to Soweto? Like, can we just try to navigate?
Soweto is not even about politics. It's about fashion. We are the copies of American life that is not certified. I want to ID nga certify mara umelu submit kufuneka ID certify you. Yeah, many things go wrong because I couldn't prove the reason why you need to certify that ID. It's because of it's authentic. It comes from you. No, so we adopted to me. You can look at how we wear. You look at how we talk. You look at how we want to do things. You look at the knowledge that we have. It's American narrative. You look at the movies, the music, what influence you as a person. So this generation of now knows nothing about consciousness. And as a result, politicians are taking advantage to manipulate the system. So that you become a fan of your Julius Malema, you become a fan of your Cyril Ramaphosa, you become a fan of Action SA, Herman Mashaba. You are literally a fan. It doesn't matter what is happening. It's not your mind. It's what you hear because you are used to following. You look at the content of music that is playing in South African radios. It's American. So, Soweto, sinama-groovist, irresponsible adults. Abantu abathanda isitayela, abanyatsanayo, abagalanayo, itswelo nekari, icherry, dunusela amabhiya, uyabona kugqokwa kuma-TikTok for the sake of ama-likes social media and all of that. So it's far from politics. Then we can give the politics its context, how it affects us. But life in general, what we are consuming traditionally, it's what kills us as Sowetans. Cabanga ukuthi sihlakaniphe ukudlula wonke umuntu, while we are not. Sihlakaniphela into ezi-wrong. There's so much unemployment. I-out angeke ithi ingasipani ibhayisa amaveji. Pride yayo is bigger than ukubhayisa amaveji phande. Maria khona uku-abuse uma-oledi endlini for imali ya-weekend. Tshela ngentwana zala eDobsonville zonke ezinamakamera emakubo. Ke hlala ngaphandle mari nechiri olunyonyobe nechiri kunabazali bakho ulele nechiri yakho ngayi ole lakho nethama lakho balele ngala.
Bro, you see, on that one, you're 100% right. Ngiphume ekamereni ekhaya, but it's because izinto asikhona ukwakha izinto ngaphandle. Angithi abo isharita sekhaya njani? Ngeke ukhona ukwakha indlu. But kuze ngiphume ekhaya ngabona leyo nto, ngangibalekela leyo nto leyo ukuthi engeke umalume ulele ngapha nami ngifaka intombazane ngapha. It was too much, so I'm saying it's
Ngena
true.
ngo-1 buye ematshwaleni elisofeni.
Yeah,
uvulelwa uye futhi.
Yeah.
mfethu, you remember, yeah,
Futhumeze iplate ku-microwave.
you remember as I told you ukuthi like I felt like ukuhlala kwami ekhaya into ayengenza ukuthi futhi ngihasile ngifuna ukuphuma ekhaya because ngangiphila mhlambe impilo nje wonke umfana angayiphila, but at the end of the day ngafeeling ngathi seyihlukumeza umalume because I'll come back eGrovini mhlawumbe ngisakhona ukuhamba ngidakiwe then ngiza namantombazane endlini. I remember the time umalume evuka ngo-1 ngihamba namantombazane awu-3 ewapakela iy'moto adake wakhona ngisho ukupaka imoto ejardini. Cabanga umuntu omdala into angangene kuyo. Uyabo?
So
But is it a Sowetan problem or inkinga kadakhe nje in general nje like?
Yeah.
Because you look at Soweto.
let's talk about home because so that kungabi ngathi is point of I'm not familiar ngamanye amagazi. I'm talking about my experience at home.
Like,
So you know this thing of making excuses, we because Soweto it's influential. Soweto can influence the whole country. Yeah, you understand by music. Yonke music odlalayo bongabheka majority amapiano ekwaito. You understand? It's like he saw actors and everything. So I know what I'm saying. But ilento leyo ukuthi when we speak the truth, sajajana, you know, khuluma nama 2000. You know, like it can't. Like we don't have reasoning capacity anymore. We don't, you know, akunabubade. You know, akunabhekela. Life is full of hate. Now we are zoned, marawas, because you're always judging yourself, feeling that you are not good enough. Like in a competition, you want to get somewhere, but you are somewhere. You're not appreciating where you are. There's a lot. It's a psychological thing, which Bob Marley said, you must emancipate yourself from mental slavery. It was a prophecy. Because now, why? Because of the language that they're using. Because everybody that speaks English well, they think they're smart. You
But
go
you
to
pull up let kahle in this thing yokuthi if you speak English well then Uyakategorizwa
American
as a smart person.
Ngoba bona labo mrapper laba kuze kube nekasi rap. Before labo mrapper la go deep.
Conscious rap.
Yeah, it was not even conscious rap because asimuzwa, we don't understand even those words that our user, even in poetry bakhona la yeah use the English ezinjalo, but yena already qualify as conscious, and then being conscious is about using these words with English. Majority of them bebanga use kasi language like simuzwe yabo uyashova mara shova consciousness ngeculture yethu ngelanguage yethu. It has to be a dead press, mela copy dead press, mela copy nas, mela copy whoever. Yeah, yes, you understand. So we are influenced, and the language plays a crucial role in the life of human beings. That's why it's not my language. So the reason the culture is distorted because sifuna we approach ngesingam. Then we wonder, oh, what is happening? Like, you know, nokuzintwana encane ziringa, you know. It's mara, you know, it's not fair. It's really not fair because social media have influenced you to think that you know. It's like intwana sounding at Google on audio.
So yes, it's just lento iringayo ingicabangisa something, and
Yeah.
yazi maybe you can touch on that as well. Ingosi yazi thama lami nosolo wakho ingozi bezivakashile ingosi yabo abazukulu bakhe ingozi zami nezintwana yabo, so zonke ziringisa ingam la yabo tahumusho nje endlini. Zathi mangena endlini one day thama lami lithi hani ngitshele madoda shuthi nje kuphelile ngelanguage yethu la
Phelile.
chayile abantwana bakhuzwa ngesilungu ba-addresswa ngesilungu yabo, stop it, don't do that. Like kuphelile nje ngesenemi yami la chayile madoda la. And kuke singayibheka light ngosihleke osijoke ngayo, but mase usuyibhekisisa kahle hayi
It's deep.
it's deep.
It's deep because remember that English must come with a culture. That culture where people they exercise rights they don't even know.
No responsibility.
Yeah, there's no responsibility to. It comes with a lot of democracy that allows people to accept that you are demonic. As long as you're going to justify it with English, then the society must accept. How many things that are wrong that we have accepted in a society that were never part of us? But should you touch on those things, it's a problem. Certain people will protest you. But nothing will change, A1 ain't change. A man, my expectations for a man in a society where you need to have money, you need to have this, you need to have that, you need to have this, you need to have that. We've been bashed left, right, and center by women, by whoever that wants to bash men. You understand? It comes with the territory of that what we have adopted. I don't know whether we are familiar with the show Ricky Ricky. That's America. Ricky Ricky. There was a white lady. There was a show built like me. English that's American 13 pregnant. Is a Shana,
Ricky
Ricky Lake. Yeah, Ricky Lake. Yeah. You remember that show? Look at what is happening now. And look at that show.
Jerry Springer.
Yes. You see, it was staged.
Oh.
Yeah, yabona le ka Ricky Lane. Yeah, Ricky Lane was real. It was like Oprah Winfrey. Felicia Mabuza. The talk was real. But if you can look at what is really happening, it was back in early 90s to 2000. You look at that life of Amesithi hey yizo le ntana na 13 upregnant thina kithi bekusesokuthi nokubamba inkawuza. No, look at that life. We are living that life. We are living that life. Do you know how many kids that they keep their parents for demanding money from them to go sort out their habits? Do you think your culture, your Zulu culture, was going to allow that?
Never.
So what went wrong?
Uyoshawa umphakathi qala. We lost our identity.
Yeah.
And we don't just have.
We don't have identity.
We're just a society who don't really have
Yeah, we are
a
influenced
direction.
by abafundis who come and lie, claiming to lead society in a world of spirituality that they cannot even explain themselves. We come here and everywhere else. Look at abantu abalandela umbhoro. Doesn't matter what he does. Look at abantu abalandela to rape omunye umntana court. Look at how denial we are as society. We don't want anything that points to us and say we are wrong.
Can I mention this, guys? Yazi, I saw something and bengingacabanga ukuthi ngayibona coming like this guys abenza this other podcast le ihlale controversial ngo-2000 kuzibabiza lebe computer nayo awards
Open chat.
open chat uzwile ithini le out
Stressa nje because nginentwana lapha edlazi indoda ilala ngayo ivuka ngayo le
no
podcast.
but this guy said something ebengingacabanga ukuthi angayisho bekakhuluma ngoNkulunkulu athi if Christianity iqiniso, we should be able to question it. And whoever saying maybe I'm questioning umfundisi about certain scriptures or Christianity, akumelanga azakwade or abe defensive. Kumele abe free if it's the truth. Kahle you are saying ukuthi iqiniso akumelanga ulidefend. That was bekasho lokho in essence. Adiqinisa akumelanga ulidefend. So why do we have pastors or abantu aba Christianity when you ask
I think
certain questions baba defensive but you are
Christianity,
antichrist, you are what they should be able to answer easily.
Bro, Christianity
So-
is more like under a community that you're living in. There are good people, there are bad people. So there are Christians and there are bad Christians. So that one we don't have to bro. So that one we don't have to shy away ukuthi kunabantu abakwi-Christianity ababhedayo and abazoyilimaza. And kunabantu abeze ngama-good intentions with Christianity.
Even about good intentions, they don't have creation. None about good intentions, they don't have the answers.
Yes.
And they shy away from such questions. You
Ifana
understand?
ne culture. You know, yabona kunale culture le esingafuni ukuyi-question yabo. Like for instance, do you know that majority of African culture have oppressed women more than what white people did to black people? They don't have a say, they don't have nothing. Somebody decided that thing.
But it's not a good way.
No, it's not a good way. It's not a good way as a human being with any adult take decisions for you. Let alone in the gender.
But every time they take decisions, they take wrong ones.
No, they laba beno bamanje. Abe umama bethu be ba right.
Okay.
Yeah,
come.
yeah, they were just okay. They were good women. Bebangana mathathu emabeleni. They were not twerking for TikTok. Right? They were not chasing BMW. Ubheka ithama lakho uthi libi kanjani ole lakho lihle kanjani. To show these people bebanga dealing a multiple choice.
Nanokuthi
They were dealing love.
nanokuthi babakho ebengenawo nanemali.
Yeah, beyanganayo vele. You understand? Anorondo. Right? But those women were oppressed more than the one that abaclaim ukuthi ba oppressed now. Why? All in the name of culture. All in the name ukuthi nina ngamaZulu. Then so what, boyizulu? Or uyixhosa or uyipedi? So what if you're a Xhosa man? What makes you so ubuzulu bakho bu-eda some spice of being a man? No, it doesn't. You remain a man. What will define a man? Imisebenzi yakho yenza ichukuchuku zakho. That's why you find cultures like intwana zeyibuya entabeni zamaXhosa icabanga ukuthi indala and intwana, because this thing is instilled in your mind ukuthi umuntu omdala obuvayelwa wayosika ujwabo. Then do we question these things as we are evolving as people? Ukuthi, does this thing work? Does this thing kashembe ukuthi ubabona 84 uthandana nomntana na 13 ayimenza umfazi wakhe? Maro you don't see abongizwa baye eKaslabo terrorizing those people. They worship that thing, they goba kuleya ndoda leyana, majority lawa madoda lawayana angathatha umntana akhe amenza umfazi. Do they do that? No, they not, because why they saying it's their culture. Are we living in a society that is biased? That is controlled by a certain narrative, which these are the things that we need to go with. Because for me, if intanga yakho ingabona umntana khona 12 years umfazi, hey, problem. Why is this Shembe elders are being led to get away with the murder? In a daylight, in a South Africa of democracy today. Then, but you see the very same guys trying so hard with a small mind to control the narrative. You know, 1990, 91, 90, ukuzaka so. Uyayicava iguri ye-ANC ne-IFP. It was not iguri ye-ANC ne-IFP. It was iguri of amaZulu against nje abantu baselokishini aba-ordinary South Africans. And lay out amagwala, number one. Because every time you want to be above somebody else, ufuna exaggerate. Yonke into yakho ufuna kube ngathi you are powerful, you are what. But that's outing. Asinayo lonto, if you are powerful uzotshelwa yithi. But to show they lack confidence, somebody must feel pain for who they are, must suffer because of that culture, produce that pain. Because only like if it's in pain, you cannot have freedom. Because the time alikhulisanga. Kuleya mama oppressed ukukhulisile. Lo ngana malungelo kuba umama ukuthi aphelele kitchen somewhere. Then when uzophelela laphi if mama akho umela hambe 2 step, kusho ukuthi nawo uzokhula uhamba 2 step. Because lo me uhamba 100 step akekho yena.
But Ray, indlela amaZulu the way sitha ngabafazi ukuthi they must know their place. You cook, you do this, you do this. To me, that's odd.
Okay. Do you know your place? Because I don't believe in a society you can teach somebody to know their place while you don't. Then let's not go deep into things. Then a Zulu guy, just because of Zulu, then you must tell a woman that you must know your place. Just no mingondo yakho nje ingekho. Like, why were we promoting bullshit? Are we ready to speak about the real ills of this society? Or are we going to play that card of the race, race that is oppressing us? It was never a race. You can go to every African country. It's black on black oppressing blacks.
But it's created by whites.
No, it's
To
never
be
created
like
by
that.
whites. A woman must know their place. It was never created by whites. It was never created by whites. It's an excuse that you are making. Then you uzobane out ezofuna ukuzenza uShaka Zulu manje kwajisa abantu phakela ubani. You understand? Like reason. When you have to reason, you can't reason. But for the sake of ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi you look like Shaka Zulu, then you must bully people in a way. I'm not saying ukuthi if unema differences with you, I must find a way of addressing you.
How?
Kahle uthi bheka uthi you know. like kuso.
What if
Yeah,
I don't-
wena mbombo kanyo. Ucabanga ukuthi lana kwenzakala. Whoa, like you
But
can't.
what if I've been trying to?
No, you
to
never
change?
tried. You never
Then
tried.
you don't listen.
No, you never tried. We know the streets.
Mara, there is some truth in what Grace is saying.
No, there's a truth in what I'm saying.
No,
There's an honest truth in what I'm saying.
my man.
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
telling you the
okay.
truth. Because these are the things. You see, sorry, kancane ayikuthi ngifuna ukucut. You see, I know when we touch such things, people get uncomfortable. Because there's nobody who's ready to talk about us. It's good when we talk about others, pointing fingers on others. Mina, ngukutshele, when this thing yokususa ama-foreign, yazi iqalwe i-out yami like that. You know, back in the days, ayikho into entsha ngalapha. Angithi you know that.
Yeah.
Qale. Me, I'm one person who's vocal about the development of the township.
What do you think is wrong about this one then?
Which one?
The March and March.
You can't see. Anybody, people, they cannot see. You see how influential it is to adopt what we see in social media. Lento bengikutshela yona besiqala the conversation. Because it was allowed to brainwash people. Because let me tell you, in a country, we have laws of what needs to play in TV. Because anything, you see, let's say for instance, if abantu bangashaya Pakistani la, ne, maringa pushwa, ingabe public, thole airtime, ayeke izi spread. Ubheke every time bekushawa le pass, if yenzakala force law, yadlala indabeni, ne? You must know the intention is for them to spread that shit. It's a paid campaign. What is the system? Why we are living in a generation that it's so gullible to follow, not to question? Because everybody that is supporting never questioned. Why? Because bayuza lento oyaziyo ukuthi vele ini ipain yakho. They are taking our frustrations for their own agenda. Yes, the cause, it sounds right. Like when you look at uMalema bekakhuluma, mina from day one, mina like anginankinga nale out, but I always knew he's a liar. Why? I come from a generation of consciousness. I come from a generation of real debates. I come from the street where I get next door Malumyang discipline. I come from a generation where when you speak about black consciousness, it's not for your self-wealth, but it's for achieving freedom for our people. Then, how are you going to listen to Chris Hani and listen to Malem? Put them here, take the easy to Chris Hani and see it come from the heart. This one, it comes from English, where you can hear the English, you can feel the English. You look at the Chris Hani when he speak from the heart. It's blazing. You can feel it. But now, because we're living in a generation that doesn't know feelings, then you think it's fake. As long as enziwa abanye abantu ivunyelwa i-crowd, then mele ufile bad wena ungahambi ne-crowd. We understand? Then you are living for fashion, for likes. That's why intentionally, when I started with this thing, so that when we talk about that, I started about the influence of the Americans, the media, and everything, so that you understand how influential does what comes outside to us without questioning it and make decisions about what we say is true. Because I don't think people who are saying this is true, they've questioned what they're saying is true.
How do we handle this thing I'm a foreigner then according to you?
What is a foreigner? A foreigner is a guy that comes from Egypt. A foreigner is a guy that comes from China. A foreigner is a guy that comes from England. Right? Hambe China Mall much. Why is it simple for these ones? I'm telling you, if this one, do you think if this one they have money, power, the black ones, they were going to be treated the way, or they were going to get the same treatment that the other ones are getting?
Can I answer that?
Mm.
I understand I understand your question ukuthi.
Nje ngicela ungithelele i-call yami.
Yeah, I understand lento yokuthi khona ama-foreigner ama-China.
Yeah.
But how I see it mina is that as abantu silana sihlupheka la, obviously if izoqala into kanje izoqala la. Izoqala lana like sihlala nabo labantu la.
Yeah.
Uzoqala la vele. How mhlambe lento leyo mhlambe mina bengayibuza vele ebantwini abafana nabo uphakela umthakathi na orabongizo because yibo abantu who are out there now.
Yeah.
And ba ama public figure maybe into efana le mina bengicabanga ukuthi mhlambe
Mina ngithi into engizokutshela yona.
Sengisho ukuthi maybe into efana le maybe yibo abantu kumele bayikhulume ibe out there like
Bakhulume
no sengisho ukuthi bayisho ukuthi since we are doing this silanda ama
It's not the first time akusiyibo abaqale lento. That's why I laid the background. It was long time before that. You understand? And now ngifuna sibeke ngendlela right because angifuni iphume across ngathi ngithi ama-foreigner angahambi. That's number one. A disclaimer. You understand? I'm saying, are these people who are pushing this narrative really pushing the narrative for a good cause? Okay.
Yeah, I missed this point. I think reason why mhlambe iqala la lokushina abantwini abamnyama, maybe your Zimbabweans, black Zimbabweans, black Mozambicans, I think it's because they are easily identifiable. Number one.
China, obvious. India, obvious. Udakufana nawe.
No, they're easily identifiable. Batholakala lula la. Ama-China, so when China more kuphela. That's what I'm trying to say. Ama-China so when China more ama-Jude ingam la. Sibabona emasabapini kuphela.
Sine problem. These people laba basuka le KZN, they are traveling. Laba ukhuluma ngabo who are leading this thing. Baye kwamanye amakas, there's budget. So that budget can take them anywhere, just on that point. So it cannot be an excuse. But again, also because we need to agree to disagree. So because the whole aim is not to bash anyone. The whole aim is to have a discussion that will unfold our minds to make decisions. Because we cannot make decisions uninformed. Because of Bayanzinto that sounds like it's good for you. It cannot, because this is exactly what is happening. The reason why politicians are getting away with the murder, Baba Votele, Banga Delive, is because they always say things that they align to what you wish. We're going to create jobs for you. Did they create jobs for you? Did they? So, well, what is it? Is it foreigners that lied that our people, they must create jobs for us? I'm not talking about stipends. They didn't promise us stipends, grant. They will have a grant system. I'm talking about jobs where you as a man and a woman can buy a house. Did they do that? No, they didn't do that. So who lied? Then let's engage. Then I'm saying to me and to the rest of the people that in South Africa that are saying ukuthi uJulius Malema right, even if patina evidence black and white. Do you know ukuthi kunomuntu othi that thing is AI generated? Because akafuna any discussion that says law wrong or let's see things different. We already on an exception about that person. What you have deceived yourself. Then you, as a result, you don't want to listen to anybody. But umfundiswa kurepile when because of upapa cannot rape uzomlandela so there's something wrong here.
No, I get you. I get you.
It's something wrong.
Because you see what you just said right now, it just, Yeah, now I'm with you because really, we can follow the rapist and say, because your family was not raped,
Yes,
you follow that person.
exactly.
You're really right when you say there is something wrong.
There is.
We don't say he's a rapist. I think we're saying as followers, he didn't rape my family.
Yes,
I'm not going through the pain.
exactly.
It's exactly where you're going to Julius Malema. It's like people are really following this guy.
Yeah, and they are not even following, they are protecting him.
What exactly is
They
wrong?
can even ban the country for ukuthi kuthiwa wrong. What type of a human being that cannot be wrong? What type of a human being? So, okay, ngifuna in general njengama out ke. Let's take the reasoning capacity of these two guys. Just the reasoning capacity. Yeah, yala magents la obushaka Zulu no Dingane. Take a reasoning capacity because your mind informs the knowledge that you are trying to uyenzelani lento. Awakayizwi into ukuthi uyenzelani besides what you already know. Besides what we already know. Let me make an example. Like ngifika late kwami ngabo ma2. Madam izolwela ukuthi ngene ngo2. Na last week ngene but I'm an adult ngena ngo2. Ngihleli no Chris kaso siyabushaya besibraya senzana ayikho into wrong eyenzakele. But engqondweni yakhe unalento leyo ukuthi ukungena ngo2 is associated with certain behavior. You see like ingqondo enyinto. Mind can make you think you are right, and we are living in a culture where we are not discussing. As long as we're into what you are saying suits you, then say right. Then this is what is happening. As long as abantu lento ekhulunywa ila magents, and to show ukuthi if you are going to follow an illiterate person, it shows ukuthi kamampela if abantu bangakhona ukulandela uSkomora for no reason. For no reason, for no particular reason. Bachazwe into snacks. But if I so you can be hated. You see when this thing goes out. See how they will be bashing, trying to. But we are not here to speak in favor of your comfortability.
There's things that I don't agree with. While we're talking, there's things that I don't agree.
Yeah.
But to be civil, we have to sit down and address it.
Yes.
Either way.
Yes.
You might not see things in my way,
Yeah.
and when you address it, I must not feel offended.
Yeah, ngiya accept lento leyo, but you know umuntu uzoba ne problem mina if kunomuntu okashembo othi lento ubabona 73 kumele ashade umntana na 15 bese yathi he doesn't agree. You understand? Because what I've touched, it's facts. You understand? I haven't created anything that
Is there any
yeah,
form of
ezangami, yeah. So I'm telling you, it's your comfortability that says because we are used to this culture and now I'm touching your culture. Like Dingane no Shaka Zulu. Ngithi what? Yabheda lento. Nina akekho umuntu omele anitshela ukuthi lento yeni yabheda. Nina, yini ngifuna ukubona how abusive you are. You need a right to tell others and other people and other things, women, people, you must speak because you may sibe nale picture leyo ukuthi nina niyashaya nina mandla. You understand? It's that kind of narrative that is wrong. I don't want you to accept it. It's the truth. We can move on with the truth. It's whether we want to deal with it. Me, I can discuss issues with my mom. I time I like abuse it. Hayi. Uhamba ngama-restaurant mancane wena nje bathi geza lesitsha sithi time abelijoka la somewhere linalabantu because lento esiyibonayo manje akusinto enje makhopeni yadunusa lapho uyafesha kumnandi lo mele abe ulo mfazi omamelayo wazi indawo yakhe because the issue about this because are we discussing social ills or are we discussing laws that others must obey?
But Gray, I'm afraid when we keep on going like that, then everyone have this freedom that you wish ukuthi babe nayo as women.
What do you mean?
Then they can then they or listen. Then
Yes.
they can go all the way then and drink. It's free. Because I don't have to tell this woman
Chris.
to tell.
They asked a very question. What if you say ayibuze futhi correct uthe ubuze wena ukuthi wena kumele wenzeni amadoda kumele yenzeni ask something like that mekethi abantu besifazane kumele babhile a certain way.
Yeah. When a woman tell you, okay, there's something that I like that you've just said. And I like the fact that you said we must engage and we are engaging.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, 98.9% of women now are doing as they please. Whether umfazi wakho yini, I'm a feminist. And I'm a right. Whatever. So ukuba kwakhe endlini doesn't make her a right person. Being a right person, you don't need to be told. Being a right, you need to be responsible as an adult. How do you tell another adult to be responsible? It's not your responsibility to babysit that woman. She must know she's an equal. But the culture that you come from, it says to you, it has taught you that you must tell that woman how to be, who to be. That's not your response. It's the culture that influences you to do that. But now, did you ever question ukuthi uyithatha yonke le narrative le of thinking ukuthi so if awumbekela umthetho then angahamba yophuza? If ufuna ukuphuza ngaphuza anyway. They are phuza anyway. It doesn't have to be a law. You understand ukuthi?
I'm saying, but we can sit down, me and my girlfriend or my wife, and I have a right to tell her how I feel, how I want her to behave.
When
Because
ngamtshela ukuthi I want a third one, a fourth one, a fifth one. Angeke aze akutshela ukuthi ngifuna indoda ye6, ye7, ye8. Angeke aze akutshele leyo nto, right? Guys, we are influenced by things that we never questioned.
I agree.
Yeah. So ngithi wena, because of you are used to this culture yokumtshela. Especially these things come from what we call, they qualify it to do them based on culture. They have a right, in general knowledge, ubaba la next door, beka ngashada umntana ona 15 yini, akusi abuse. Akusi abuse. Dating a minor, you won't get arrested. Why labaya kulela sonto? They do it freely. Baze babe ne ceremony of doing it.
Mina ngifuna ucela ukuyibeka kanje Dacre. To answer
But
le-
everyone, even nomthetho sinawo agree manje ukuthi uma 15 is a minor. Umthetho
Mamela.
No, mara
Yazi into eyenzakala
yeah.
lapha yini? To mina this the way ngi-understand ngakhona. Yes, amathama akhruti. Amakhehla. Labantwana labaya, abantwana ba over 18.
Man.
Mamela. Mina into the way ngi-understand ngakhona, the way ngibone ngakhona. And response yabo. Ukuthi those girls are girls that are over 18, but again, mina nami ukubona kwami like angikwazi ukuthrowa yazi ingcoso uyibona incane.
Umzukulu.
Yeah, like umntana umbona mncane wena
No, Jansen.
ubuze ukuthi akhule.
Asibeke moral wise. Yabona le nto ngisho siyabaleka because it's us. You see, iyenza ukuthi shrink kanjani. You see when it's us. Do you see what I'm trying to say? I'm not trying to provoke these people. I'm trying to show you which we cannot deal with our own demons. It was first the issue of race. Hey, white people, yeah. We're always blaming others. But if we are,
nabo banesandla.
yes, if we have to deal with ourselves, there's a standard way of how we want to protect ourselves. I'm saying moral wise, manje, bengangena nencosi na 17 that uzongibheka different.
True.
But that culture has allowed it to look normal for many years. And remember, you cannot tell me that young girl thinks the way these elders are thinking. So, gents, Yabona mina ngihlala ngithi ebantwini, you see, I come to your, there's a podcast bengikuyo last time. Don't invite me. Because I'm not going to have a script. Because you know there is 68 million people in South Africa. Ne? 60 million. They are willing to hear the truth. And those are the people that are not on social media. The 8 million is kids that are on social media that you are trying to please. So it's the truth or nothing. But where I'm going to, you see, ukuthi umuntu akafuna ukuthi bakutshela ukuthi ibhuku lakho linembobo wena. Mara uyakhona ukutshela abanye ukuthi amabhuku abanembobo. Then it cannot be a balance. That's kind of a vibe. Because we need to be in a society where we discuss things and then have decisions that we're saying, this is what should happen. It cannot be when already you assuming ukuthi yabo beniphume nivuke ekseni. You know the problem ngalezi zamaXhosa. Sold out.
Yeah.
Do you know where Steve Biko come from? Eastern Cape. Do you know where Chris Hani come from? Eastern Cape. Do you know where Nelson Mandela come from? Do you know where Mama Winnie come from? Eastern Cape. Namhlanje abantwana bandluli ngamabhakede kuyo esikolweni. A small river. While you have icons that fought for this country.
All of them.
Something is wrong.
Instead giwe vilakazi.
Yeah.
Indlu.
Yeah.
Indlu
The apartheid.
Agiyo.
Something is wrong. And le outlets. Ubani ungazi ukuthi amaXhosa acabanga ukuthi ahlakanipha ukudlula wonke umuntu.
Yeah.
Cabanga ke abantu bathi bahlakaniphile bayekela igasi labo libe so. Can't even say let's build a bridge gents ngale nhlakanipho yethu. Why? Because they never wanted to look at themselves. It's always about you looking, leza amazulu, yamaqaba. It's really there. What I'm saying is there, right? Yeah, amantsonga esasela impompo. Leza indaba manje amaphoyisa kuphela. You understand? Yeah, ayikho into is stereotype. Zigqoka iphula. You understand? See that this thing, the hate, it's among us. Ikona. Somebody feels like it's above the other. Then this is what I'm talking about when I'm saying, then we need to understand, then let's put politics into this there. And see, politicians are capitalists. Are people who are using society pain to gain financial freedom. Then, if they want to destabilize the country, they will always going to choose okay. Isonto lakho ligcwele. Ngizoza ngizokhampena kulelo sonto. Isn't it so? Ukazobabona bekuzovota baye emasontweni bolehanyana baya kuphi la we ukuboshembe ama-politician during national. Ukazobabona?
True.
Serious business. Serious. Then they go there, lo muntu lo sekayathandaza manje. Ramaphosa bayagoba laphayana. Hey madoda. How? You know ukuthi abantu abamnyama in general batholakalapi when it suits you. And then the agreement kamfundisi no president or ne politician. And ahambe. Abantwana balabo mama nalabo baba sesontweni, they are unemployed youth. Umfundisi ke ukuthi yazini na Ramaphosa. Ibandla lama abantwana baba basebenzi na youth ayibona like those things will never be addressed. Aleni shayizandla. People are pushing a serious narrative. And we're having a generation that is arrogant, naive, thinking they have it in, cabanga ukuthi siyazi.
We think we're gonna control this country as a youth in black and white. We're gonna use pen. We even say the pen is measured and salt and soil. I don't know, yeah. But
Leo, it was referred to Gubo Steve Biko. Nina, you think you can use Twitter?
But okay, now umbuzo. No umbuzo. How do we then? Yes, I hear ukuthi nathi kumele sizinuka amakhwaba. Understandably so. Silungisa kanjani like what's the solution? Like already there are things as ongoing. Mina personally I feel ukuthi sekukhulunywe isikhathi eside.
Ngani?
Akulini ukukhulunywa ukuxoxa into zama.
Ngani in particular nje ngama foreigner.
Not ngama-foreigner in particular, but sekukhuluma ukuthi
Between ama-foreigner ne-issue yama-drugs elokishini, where young kids are dying of ama-drugs, where young kids, because of ama-drugs, they are committing serious crimes. Which one would you prefer ukuthi siyimele? Oba ubheke out yokhula naye out asekasi la kubhlungu ibone kunyawo phela ama-drugs they are more accessible than ama-keep ekasi.
Mina bengizozithekela I think ziyahambelana le bengizozithekela
choose one ukwambona uKwaTraw ame njengale ntwana yasekasi lakho uyazi ukuthi yebhayisa ama-drug e-South African.
Reason why ngithi ngingachoose ngikaze ngambona but reason why angithi sikhuluma ngento esizibonayo la ekasi. We know guys, we know ukuthi
who comes with it?
Yeah, izana nabo okwazi ukuthi uzose certain, I won't call the name, certain politician bambambe ne or certain influential person bambambe somewhere ngapha kuma Randfontein apheka yena. Understand, because it is what they told us ukuthi is nama Nigeria. It's still a narrative. It's what you were told.
But some of the things we see.
No, but I'm telling you, drugs in South Africa. It's mostly done by people or white people of our pegayo. It's real science, you understand? And then I'm telling I'm a distributor. And then those who come with equipment and all of those things.
Okay.
Then we're talking about manufacturers.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then when
it's things that we see, bro.
Yeah, when ukhuluma ngePaza shop, you cannot blame Paza shop for ukuthi kenza impupho. Abantu kumele baphila abaya abangale who manufactured. You understand? And all of that. So
none of what with Speggy Paza shop, but underground there's a mine.
But that's why I need as an ordinary citizen. Uzodila nento oyibona.
Yeah.
Angeke number one. Angeke sazi ukuthi phekwa kuphi lento le. Sizizwa vele
then siyavumelana.
Seyivumelene angeke sazi ukuthi phekwa kuphi. But mo ufuna attend inkinga. You know ukuthi this person
is a confronter.
Then we are going back to what I'm saying. It's influence that makes us to take decisions. And this is what I've said. We should khuluma ngento oyibonayo. So what we are saying, it's what I'm saying, it's influence. Are you then influence? It must come with thinking then. Then I'm saying, you are saying, I know for fact ukuthi akunamuntu othengisa ama-drugs wangaphandle la elokishini. It's South Africans umama laphayana uthi umntana wakhe uyaphanda by killing abantwana abanye abomama. So for me, it's like we can address these issues. I want us to address these issues. Because now it's like ufuna pointer, like it's simple to say, yeah. But I'm saying to you, mina, what you know, what you see outside. Mina, what I see majority of young people abangakabi ne-chance yokuphila being killed by these drugs.
Yes.
Every day.
Killed by our own.
You understand? Yeah, every day. And then after that, we go and label them. babize ngabonyawuphi sibenzeni sibashaye. Do you see ukuthi bashayo kanjani day and night labantu abapatrolayo? Do you think if izosana, do you think ukuthi kumnandi for enimzali ukubona umntana wakhe asha? And le ntwana le ngifuna ukukutshela akusiyi ukuthi ini, it's influence that made him to take this thing. Music, coding, baqala nge-coding, bayibona kubo MT, bayibona kubo Lil Wayne, bayenzani. Njengoba ngikutshela ukuthi it's things that influence us. Then shale ntwana ublema le ntwana le ena 16 engazi ukuthi yenzeni engakaphili, ungakazi ukuthatha ama decision ukuthi yini. You understand? And then it's simple. Ku-grand.
And I agree, you got a point there. Because you never see community city. Like what's in Dobsonville? Siyazi ukuthi ama-drugs adayiswa.
Angeke futhi ingene nasehostela. But what I'm trying to say la ku-crazy.
So why we don't gather sometimes? Siyeke labantu beqhunyiwe estrati.
That's why.
Siye la abawalanda
Ngifuna
khona.
ukansela leyo nto
Yeah,
leyo.
siyostay.
Yeah,
We
that's
know.
why, because that campaign is not paid to amplify. The day it's paid to serve a certain narrative, njengale yenzakalayo, uzoyibona izoyenzakala. Remember, I started by saying these things okhuluma ngamafoni akusinto entsha. Why this one was amplified? Somebody. And aximit, that's why I need aximit, because I've seen people giving people money for certain things that needs to happen in a society. I'm privileged to live in a certain spaces that maybe other people, they don't get to a chance to live in. You understand? Yes, it looks normal.
This campaign, they all killed by money at the end of the day. This campaign that
Yeah.
we're talking about, at the end of the day, they die because of money. It's just one plan. They do it, but at the end of the day, someone will take the money, then the campaign will die. Why is that?
Yeah, I don't said. So let's go back to then, are we solving or are we making people rich? I'm going back to what politicians are doing. They're using i-pain ne-struggle zethu to have
James, what time is it? Okay, asiclosing ukuthi siyivale, then we'll continue, we'll come back
Yes.
part 2 wakhona, then angazi ngifuna uyibeke ngendlela yokuthi uzokhona ukuqhubeka like
Yeah.
when you come back.
Yeah, so this is what I was saying about when politicians campaign, they promise you nice things and they even act. Bangababona abakokota endlini bakhuluma nabogogo. But once they get what they get, they go back to enjoy the freedom of what they were campaigning for, which is financial freedom. But the problem is not solved. Then teen society, we remain and complain and talk and do this, and because why? We don't want to engage in real stuff, in holding those, okay? Then we don't vet things. We just accept next time kuzoba enye into entsha, then sizohamba nayo. Understand? Next time kuzoba enye into entsha, and then sizohamba nayo. Njengoba usho iphelele emoyeni, iphele beka lo mntana lo beka kuDudula. Ukuphi manje? Is known by a country. He's dining with politicians. But if you can get the real story from real people, you will be ashamed.
What you mean?
I'm telling you. Yeah. Angatheka ku-action say when they advance, kodwa, it's a politic of the stomach. Who doesn't know that?
Can we get Ladalax? Can you come with Ladalax? Because I see there's something that that
Yes.
we're talking about.
So, but in order to free our society, to be free, people, they must have conversation that will make them think, even if they don't agree. But as long as they will engage in thinking. Because now, sinale culture of we accepting. When we see it looks nice, we take. Ngivela lo kusasa sound nice, we fall. Ukuthi ubani wenzani, as long as it sounds nice. Intombi ishelwa ngamanga. And then bashelile sabaqomo. And then bese badlile. Uzoyiza intombi ithi udlale ngabo. Badlalanga ngawo. You don't have your mind of your own. Use your brains. Stop blaming others.
Oh man, we'll continue this conversation. As you know, we do touch on what is going on in the country, and we hear the black minds. Yeah, it's crazy. I know we agree to disagree, and it's okay. And I think even you at home, when you're watching at home, you're like, okay, I agree with this. I don't know, but it's life. It's just like that. There are things that I would subscribe to, and there are things that I don't.
Eyakho yiphi ile culture.
Yeah, I'm honest.
Yeah, nami I'm honest. That's why
Yeah.
out here.
Yeah.
That's why I understand ukuthi this one it won't. And the typical example maybe in this conversation, it's how uncomfortable the truth is. Mara, if it was something that is not the truth, we were going to agree.
And we will be laughing and nice.
Yes,
and
so you see
told,
how uncomfortable it is so late. That needs to determine the truth between me and you. It's not something comfortable. As long as you have all these comfortable things, it means there's something wrong.
About
Yeah. Khona umuntu othe if the Christianity was real, why people are not, why they are worried by would see question. Yeah, we shouldn't worry about that. So if what you are saying is real, then you should look at it. No, but upraying out yakho ngena kwakho nene umncosi yakho but say kwami lala nawe, lala nami. Yo. What? And then why? Ushembe. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Because when I agree, what you're raising, Bryce, is a very good point. It is like just that we grow. I'm like I'm a Zulu. I grow up. I tested in Pida Sekas, and I tested Semakai. Like in Lima, like the real things, not just Umzulo or Kulele Elo, like on but I tested the life like almost Yasemakai. Ngibona writing CEE. So it's not easy to unlearn or to not say, because it's the way.
It's not easy to accept the truth or to unlearn.
I will always protect it because it's what I know.
Ilento sinokuyibuza guys, ungamprotector but umntanakho umbulali, and you know but we serial killer. You know the love that you have for umntanakho. It's like somewhere somehow as human beings we get tested. That's what they call a test of life. Where are you gonna stand with the truth or what you know? There's two things here. It's what you know and there's the truth. You cannot substitute the truth because of a culture, because of it. It's when we side with the truth, and then the narrative will change. But that is what I was trying to show you. Which people are always siding with what they know. And what you know is what you are comfortable with.
Yeah.
Then I can't deal with you with what you are comfortable, because it's not the truth what you are comfortable with. The truth is, when ubona mina ngilala nengane yakho, uhlala ulala la kwakho, wazi ukuthi mina ngilele nengane yakho, kwakho, ngumngane wakho, ringa intanga yakho. Does it make you sleep? No. So tell me about what you know now. Ukuthi mina ngilala nengane yakho. It's the truth that you don't want. It's all that we are saying. And I think if we build this culture of discussing things like this, we're gonna get somewhere as black people. Like njengoba beusho gazi ngendaba yencosi zakho, sikhuluma English. You understand? Mina eyami ina 10 last born. Yashova awuthasekazi. Khami yabukhotma nayo awuthasekazi experience. I make sure ukuthi there is that, and then I like it. Then civilization, it's not speaking English. It's having indigenous knowledge. That nobody can brainwash you to be something that you don't want. So Tina, cabanga ukuthi civilization, ukuthi umntana akaye ku white schools and learn this language, understand? That's not the truth. Then uzoshona, then beshona mele sukubika ngithi. Then ingozi yakho doesn't know that shit. Culture get distorted. Uwe.
Great. See you next time, bro.
Thank you, sir.